Alright, we're back, still on the front slope. Just had to get the nails in my pocket situated. Okay, done that. Got another one here. Okay, another one over there. We're almost done. So we've almost got all of them. Just one more. No, no. Got more in my pocket. Yep, we've got two more. Okay. There's that one right there. Okay. So I'm gonna put this right here. There we go. All right, last one. So again, as you can see, to fix this one, we damaged this. Got a line going across here, and another line going across here. Major granule loss. Again, this is the front slope. Claim number 1946 9514 005.